Now come to Nidhi companies. Which clause is this? Nidhi company?
Clause 12.
Clause 12, right? So this was already asked in May 24 exam, so not sure if it will be repeated immediately, but remember certain things. Nidhi companies are formed where they are actually going to benefit whatever they manufacture, whatever the service is provided, whatever they manage as a business, like, they are doing it just for their own members. So if you are forming a Nidhi company, so in case of your auditor, in case like the audit is happening, the auditor has to ensure that you are maintaining certain ratios, certain numbers, because you should be able to meet your own liabilities, right? Whatever you are doing as a Nidhi company, it is for sure that you need to make sure you have enough money to pay off your liabilities, right? So what they want is, they want you to maintain the net owned fund to deposit ratio of 1:20. They want you to maintain a deposit of 10% of unencumbered. So they want you to maintain 10% of unencumbered deposits to meet its liability. What does the mean by unencumbered term deposit? Free of charge. Like there should not be any charge. That should be easily realizable and easily available to pay off any liability. So unencumbered term deposit. Bank should not have any charge on that money, right? So that you are able to pay that liability. In case of any default in the payment of interest on deposit has been made, or regular or repayment of deposit has not been made, because Nidhi companies take money from their members, right? In terms of deposit, now they have to repay that. Yeah, they have to give deposit interest on that, or they have to repo after that period is ended, what the term is ended, they are going to repay that deposit. Have they delayed that, or are there any default in the interest payment or the repayment of deposit? If yes, that is needs to be reported. Only 3 points, you will get full 3 marks, easy points. What is the ratio of net owned funds to deposit?
1:20.
Unencumbered term deposit required
10%.
10%.
Yes.
Right. And if there is any default in the repayment of interest or deposit. Cool? Easy one.
Yes.